Wow, this is gonna be our second cooking lesson at lifelongenglish.com. Ooh, Alicia, I'm so excited to have this lesson today with you. What are we making today?
We're making kimbap.
Ooh, kimbap. Is that your favorite food?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite too. Actually, kimbap is, everybody calls it is Korean sushi roll, but I think sushi and kimbap are a little different, right?
Yeah.
For sushi, there are raw fish on top of this seaweed roll, but kimbap, we use all different kinds of ingredients in it. So, you can explain what kind of ingredients we need, Alicia?
We need ham, imitation crab stick, spinach, pickled radish, oolong, and carrot. But Mom, what do we call oolong in English?
Oh, oolong. We call it burdock in English. I actually can show you how it looks like. Ooh, it looks like this very thick wooden sticks, but actually it has like 5 to 6 in a packet, and it's called burdock. So you can get it in any kind of market, especially Japanese or Korean market. Okay. Wow, we are ready for start rolling now. Oh, you know what? I put on some sanitary gloves, and you can help me put those ingredients inside the rolls, okay? Good. Now, what do we need first? This is a bamboo mat, and we're going to place
The dried seaweed.
the dried seaweed. And what do you think? Next, we have to spread the cooked rice. Right? Okay, Alicia,
Yeah.
I think I need those. So, could you put those ingredients in the middle of seaweed roll? Okay, this is pickled radish. I can just put it in the center. Okay, what are you going to give next?
Carrot.
Carrot. And what else?
Burdock.
Burdock. I need 3 more strips. Makes more yummy. Okay, and then
Spinach.
spinach. You like spinach a lot, so let's put some more. Yay! And then what do we need?
Imitation crab stick.
Crab stick. Love it. See? All the color. I think we missed something.
Ham.
Missing ham. Okay. Try to give me 2 pieces maybe? Thank you. Alright, look at this. Now, this is going to be the hardest part, right? What is it?
Rolling.
Rolling. Okay. Oh, it's kind of hardest part. But I can do it like this. Okay? And then you can roll it with the bamboo mat. The finer touch. Ta-da! Nice and neat. Here we go. Now, what's next? It is time to
cut.
Okay. Alicia, would you help me putting
Yeah.
this on a plate? Okay. There we go. Okay, Alicia, why do you like kimbap so much?
Oh, it's pretty and it's handy.
Oh, it's pretty?
Like you can take it to picnics and field trips.
Oh, that you mean it's handy.
Yeah.
And why do you think it's pretty?
Like all these vegetables and yummy ham.
It's so colorful, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. next time?
I think I'll think about it.
You'll think about it and let me know. Okay? That is gonna be our third cooking lesson at LifeLearnEnglish.com. I can't wait.